Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So easy money in the stock market. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Share with you guys how can we capitalize off this opportunity within the market that's presenting itself. So that's what we sit back and wait for. We wait for opportunities. Once they presents itself, then we say, okay, let's do our homework. Let's set up our groundwork, our foundation, and get ready to strike if the second opportunity presents itself, which will disclose what that second opportunity is as we get into the video, guys. So before we do it though, know that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just letting you guys know what's popping up on my radar, why it popped up on my radar, and the moves that I'm about to make before I make the move, guys. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So easy money in the markets, guys. Like I told you guys, if you've been following the channel, the stock market is in one big bundle, and it's waiting to be calibrated, waiting to see which direction, waiting to be digested, waiting to, see what the algorithm want to do next. Because it do this sometimes with the market will go into one big frenzy, one scramble to try and mess up the psychology of the people that's been around for a while and understood how the market works and got a rope around it. But now, they trying to do what they do, mess with the system a little bit and try and throw us off our game. But when that times happen like that, I step away, step back, see where and how I got to adapt to the new markets, guys. It may make sense to some of you guys, it may not make sense. But you stick around the markets long enough, you'll understand exactly what I mean by what I was just saying. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. This easy money plays and what we looking at. So anybody could have seen on Friday what sector is about to go off. Like we've been talking about, the market usually, simultaneously seeing different areas of the market up and down. It don't usually go all up at the same time or all down at the same time, how it usually being done. Also, if you've been following the channel, like I told you guys, the war that everybody is in fear of, getting scared of, thinking it's going to, harm the markets to the worst of its ability. I was telling you guys that no, it's going to be certain areas and sectors that do be hurt by the war that's happening, but it's also going to be a lot of money being made because it's going to be sectors that be shooting up, going very, very high because of the demand in that area of the markets, guys. The war is going to need. You get what I'm saying? So it's all coming into play. And this is what happened on Friday. We see a lot of volatility going on in the oil and gas space. That's why ticker symbol CEI and ticker symbol INDO took off the way it did. And we seen all that volatility because we got energy names. They been very volatile lately in the midst of the Russian and Ukraine conflict, which has lifted the oil and the gas prices. So that's why those stocks in particular started to run up the way they did. And like I said, guys, it's always that one that shoots off first, and it'll bring the rest of them up right along with it. So that's what we setting ourselves for now. Those two plays I just called out, CEI and INDO, you could set yourself up by waiting on a opportunity to get in those if they pull back extremely. If they pull back extreme, mean, real big dip. CEI ended at around 81, so I was looking to enter in that one if we come down to around 69, 70 cents, and 75 cents will be the first level. But if it don't make a big dip, I just let it run and not miss it, because I'm gonna be looking for a sympathy play. A sympathy play is another energy or oil stock that's going to run off the strength of CEI and INDO if I can't get in those. So the two sympathy plays I'll be looking at is ones that didn't really move yet, didn't get a big jump like CEI and INDO did, because they had some big percentages jumps on Fridays. So that means if the other ones still in the red or had a tiny move, I'll be looking for those to actually put my big move money in to make a big move on the other ones, like which is, I can't even get my words out, ExxonMobil is one of them I have on my radar for the oil and gas sector. Also, fuel cell, ticker symbol FCEL. Fuel cell is trading at about 5 and some change at the time of this recording. That's another one. It didn't get any type of it closed in the red on Friday, meaning that's a good opportunity to get in before the herd come in, because it's coming. As long as CEI and INDO continue to run, come on next week, and this just don't be a a quick hype for this sector and area just to be gone and they find a new one. So long as this hype, this attention can stay in this area of this sector, then money will be made. That's why you don't want to go in too hard or too strong. I mean, you don't want to put too much on the line, because this is a risky opportunity. You just want to get in and get out. Use the meat of the move and the meat of the opportunity, why all the attention is on this right now, guys. So that's how we will play that out. I will wait. Those two first ones I call out, I'll wait for a big pullback and to get in on those if I see the opportunity. And the other two is the ones that didn't make the moves yet, ExxonMobil and Fuel Cell Energy, ticker symbol FCEL. Them two that you could get in early before the herd come in. So you already know, guys, like I told you guys, this war was going to make some sectors very, very hot, and they're going to run like hell. It's also going to harm some sectors, some areas of the market, and it's going to continue to bleed real hard, because eventually it's either one or two things. Told you guys the market is not going to be hammered too much harder anymore. It's about to shoot back up. And if they don't do that, at least half of the market is going to go up. And what I mean by that exactly is the market has been moving simultaneously in the same direction, all going down at the same time. All the sectors combined, all going up at the same time when they do have their little jumps simultaneously. Now, if they don't hurry up and push this market back up soon, they will start the algorithm of sending different sectors up while bringing other ones down further. So also, note me on that, guys. If it don't go ahead and return and start running back up the whole market like was expecting, they're going to at least start having sectors, certain sectors that they branch off from the rest and start sending them up while bringing some more down. You get what I'm saying, guys? That's just my take on it. That's how I see it. That's some little plays for you guys, setting you guys up for the right direction, putting you in the right area on what to have on your watch list and all that good stuff before those take off. So you already know, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. So always be sure to do your own research and due diligence, and never, go all in on any particular play. Always be smart on each investment. So I love you guys. That's all I got for this video. You already know what to do. Consider joining the family. Add me on here. Hit that subscribe button. Also go over and add me on Instagram. I love y'all. We out. And God bless y'all. We gone. We gone.